Welcome back, fellow investors and traders. Jeff here with another video. And so I've decided to make a video. I've got a lot of requests from different people just showing you exactly how to sell a call option or a set of call options on the Webull app. This one has come very highly requested, and I'm framing this video from the angle that you've already bought a call option and now for whatever reason you've decided to sell it. Now you can dive in. There's a lot of different methods and ways that you can technically sell options, but this video, all I'm focusing on is that you, the investor, owns a call option, you bought a call option, and now you want to sell it. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that here at the start of this video, and I want to give you a very detailed breakdown on how to do this. I have a very important reason for doing that as well. This is not even so much just a reflection on myself, but I've been teaching a course over the past 2 years, and the number one problem I see people having is that they fill out buy and sell orders wrong. That is the number one problem I see people have. I've had so many students screenshot pictures of options, send me pictures and things like that, and say, what did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? And like I said, a very high percentage of the time, probably 7 out of 10 or 8 out of 10 people, they just simply filled their option order wrong before they either bought it or sold it, okay? And it's a very common mistake. I've made this mistake personally myself a couple of times. Even people I've taught in person have filled their orders out wrong and made a mistake. Perhaps a stock reaches a certain price. Limit order should have kicked in and it didn't. And I've seen people take big losses on options just simply by filling them out wrong. So we're going to go into pretty good detail on how to sell a call option. Towards the middle of the video, if you haven't signed up for Webull, I'm going to go over the current promotion. I'm going to show you how to get signed up for Webull. I've already made a video on how to enable options, so I'm going to have that linked up as well. And then lastly, I'm going to talk about the importance of selling call options. I'm going to tell you why this is an important thing, how you really shouldn't view this as investing. You have to look at this as trading, and you want to keep these two worlds kind of separate. You don't want to take money out of the investing pot and use it for options trading. However, options trading can provide your account with a big jolt in growth very, very quickly. It can also, hurt you if you're not careful as well. So let's go ahead and get into this, guys. Before we get started, make sure to drop a thumbs up on this video. I appreciate all the support. And make sure to subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already. Alright, so now we are ready to sell your call option. First thing you're going to want to do is obviously open up the Webull app and get your watch list sitting there ready. And of course, we're going to select the stock that you have a call option bought in. For this video, guys, just for all intents and purposes, we're going to use NEO, ticker symbol NIO. So go ahead and click on NEO. And then obviously that is going to pull up the daily stock quote for NEO. So in order to sell our call option, we're going to go right down here to the bottom bar and click on options. Okay, so the next page that comes up is the NEO option chain, and go ahead and find the option that you own. For this video, again, like I said, we're just going to assume that you own a $62 strike for a February 21st expiration, and then click on it so it's highlighted in green. And then go right down here to the bottom, and you're going to click on edit. Now this is your option order, okay? This is the last page you're going to see before you submit. So right up here at this top line, you have long call. Obviously, there's a bunch of different ways you can play options. We're not going to break all that down in this video. For now, just leave it there. Now come right over here to where it says buy, and you're going to click on sell. Again, make sure that it's selected as a call. Make sure your strike price is accurate, and make sure your expiration date is accurate as well. Once you get all those things checked and you're good, next thing we're going to do is we're going to select our order type. That's going to pull up your limit, your market, your stop, and your stop limit, okay? Now my suggestion is to always use limit orders. I don't really see the point of using stop or stop limit orders. The reason I always say that, it goes back to questioning why you bought the stock in the first place if it's falling precipitously. I always use limit orders, so we're going to go ahead, select limit order. Now next, you're going to want to enter in your limit price. This is the price that you want your option to sell at. Okay? So I'm just going to bump it up to 85 cents. Keep in mind that's times 100 shares. So 85 cents would actually sell for $85. Even right here too, they have a bid and ask price. So it's even telling you inside the sell order exactly where the stock is currently trading at. That's pretty helpful too. And then select how many contracts you want to sell. So we're just going to select one. If you have multiple contracts, change that number to how many ever contracts that you currently own. And select your time in force. There's usually only two you can put in. One would be day and the other would be GTC or good till canceled. Now again, this is very, very important. Go through and double check everything again. Make sure you have it selected on sell. You have the call option that you own selected, the correct strike, the correct expiration date. Go through your limit order, limit price, the amount of contracts you want to sell, and your time in force. And now you are ready to sell. So you will click on the sell button and the next page will pull up a trade confirmation. On that trade confirmation, you have yet another chance to triple check everything, make sure everything is accurate, and then you're going to click on submit. And once the order is submitted and the limit price has been met, your option will sell and you can go ahead and pencil in some profits. Hopefully you're selling this. Hopefully you're selling these options for profits, making money on a trade. And that's pretty much all there really is to it, guys. It's kind of the reverse order of buying a call option. In this case, you're just selling it. And like I said, feel free to go back and slow it down. Watch any part of this video over that you need to. I just really want to emphasize the importance of filling your option orders out correctly. Alright, so now let me show you how to get signed up for Webull if you haven't already. Now right now this is the current promotion, okay? You sign up for Webull and you get 2 free stocks. And this is how it works, okay? You open an account and you get your first free stock between $2.50 and $250. Then if you fund your account with $100 or more, you get a second free stock valued between $8 and $1,600, okay? So I'm going to have a link that you can sign up for Webull with down in my description and my comment section. And also I'm going to have a video link on how to enable options on the Webull platform. I know that is really what's bringing people in right now, is the options trading and the cryptocurrency trading. And so I do have videos coming on all of that. I'm going to be putting videos up on how to enable crypto trading, and then I'm going to do a lot of how-to videos covering that as well. But use the link down in the description or down in the comments to sign up for Webull, and then like I said, go through the video on how to enable options, and you will be ready to start trading zero commission options here on the Webull app. Alright, now lastly, I do want to talk for just a brief moment on why options trading can really benefit your portfolio, and it can accelerate the growth in your portfolio in comparison to just buying and selling stocks on a normal basis. The options can be less risky for investors because it does require a lower financial threshold. Options can be a little bit more rewarding, but again, too, the one thing I do want to caution you about, if you've made it this far and you've bought options and now you're looking to sell them, for very obvious reasons, you can lose the entire amount of money that you've spent on the options as well. So if you spend $50 on a set of options, there's a possibility you're going to walk away with nothing. There's multiple different factors that go into that. Options can work as a very good hedge against your normal portfolio. And what I was kind of referring to earlier in the video is don't get these two worlds confused. If you open up your portfolio and all you have is options contracts, you do want to own stocks long term, because the advantage of owning stocks is there is no expiration. There is not a doomsday. There's not a day you're required to sell. Options simply do provide increased cost efficiency. They may be less risky than equities if they're deployed properly. They have the potential to deliver higher percentage returns, and they offer a number of strategic alternatives. And this is a trading vehicle, okay? So you're not going to have anything long term other than gains. Another quick tidbit of advice I always try to give new students is in your account, a nice little guideline is you should have about 60% of your holdings in stock positions and about 20% in stock options. And then a final 20 to 25% you should always be holding in cash for any major corrections on the indexes and in the stock market. So that's all I got for the video, guys. Make sure to go down to the comments, If you have any questions or thoughts, please leave them with me. I always do enjoy hearing that. Thank you, as always, for watching the video, and have a good day.